Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and this happened to my frontless spoiler. Look at this thing. This thing, big chunk came out of it. And it was my fault. Basically, I came in too hot into the parking garage at work, and it just ripped that thing right off. So, I got a new piece. So, I'm gonna show you how to switch that. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, this is a good thing about having a three-piece spoiler. All you gotta do is change the middle part. So we just gotta unscrew it from here and this piece here and just put the other one back on. So I'm gonna change the oil on this thing, so I'm gonna put it on ramp so we get better access. Alright guys, well I got the oil draining there. I'm just gonna start taking this apart. So you got these two screws. Let's take one off. Okay. That one, kind of hard to do with one hand. That's it, and then you got this middle one here. Alright, so this is what's left out of the middle piece. This was what's left in the middle. And this is the screws they give you, originally anyway. These are the new ones, they're a little thicker, okay? I had used this, which is a little better, but for the middle part, you definitely need to use a nut and bolt. And even for these too, because it's just gonna rip apart. I mean, somehow it's still holding up with this little piss-ass screws over here on the sides. But for the middle, you definitely, because this thing is, my car is not even lowered, and it hits all the time. So make sure you at least get a couple of nut and bolts like this. Get stainless steel if you can, that way it doesn't rust like this. But let's put this back together. Alright guys, I'm under the car. You need to clean all this up. You need to get rid of the old adhesive underneath here. Okay, I already did it. I don't know if you can see. I did the middle one already. Gotta do the other one on the other side. I'm using some glue gun, so try to get all that stuff off before you the other one on. Okay. All right, guys. Next thing you got to do is just peel off this red stuff and just put it right up. And that's it. All you have to do is put the two screws here, and the ones in the middle. But I suggest the ones in the middle you use a nut and bolt. Okay. Like I had before, because this is gonna go rip right off once you hit something. So I'm able to get behind here because I don't have a grill here. I took it off when I did the heat exchanger. But if you still have the grill, you're gonna have to take off the pan from underneath and get to it that way, okay? So I just noticed something that I did not notice before, and that's this. I got a big chunk of this one missing too. So I was planning to do the whole thing eventually, just not today, but my plans have changed. So I'm gonna have to take this off, take off the adhesive off of here. More work. Man, that thing is on there pretty good. All right. Alright guys, I threw a couple of screws in here just to see, just because I don't want to do more holes on the car if I don't have to. Okay, so we're gonna rip this part off, the red stuff, rip it off, and then throw it up. Alright, all you gotta do is line it up with the The holes here. Alright. I'm just gonna put the middle bolt up. Alright guys, back to normal. Chin spoilers are back on. Car needs a good cleaning now. But hopefully it'll stay there for a little while. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.